Tell people your tendency. Example. Ayan. Sa mga narinig sa ibang speaker.
Today's session with a preview of Miss Tony Miranda.
Woohoo! Thank you. Di ba nag-cheer ako for my good morning, everyone. Do they remember you as someone who leads them in a way that it multiplies their potential? Oh. Do you know yourself, and how much do you know your teammates? Okay. Usually I have this before. It's really okay. So letter L. Oh no! Yeah. Yes. O lahat na lang, 30 lang naman kayo. Don't worry, be happy. Happy worry. You proactively enhance it. Yes. Master and Happy New Year! Your concepts nyo or values nyo dito, leadership, flexibility, focus, and no? Ano nga yung ways nyo to kung you're able to master yourself? At nagulat siya, wow! Pag napansin mo ako, so at least alam nila tendency. I'm using the HEARTS acronym through the assessment, right? And your knowledge. So kung alala mo, okay? Kasi baka puro work na. Pag makalat na office, nasa stress. They're unhappy. Distraction. Example.
Communication. Sometimes I guess intimidation.
Ready, yung person.
Lack of clarity on the expectation.
Or correct na spelling. And then, thought, learning, growth, wellness, and spiritual wellness. Well, you will not overflow. Okay? Okay. Hey. And thank you for being nice. Sabi mo, shadow plate. Hindi may secret. May ganun. And thank you, di ba ako siya?
Renan! Renan, salamat.
So, maski na naman yan.
Salamat, alam mo na yung mga yun.
And one, I'm happy the Lord blessed my obedience. And multiplier can actually result into what? Radiant multiplier. Sinasabi? Miss Gorgeous. Okay, so
They feel na
our lives, not only sa work.
Parang her personal story.
thank you.